Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we are going on a road trip and we're gonna listen to some good Jamaican live band music. We are also gonna eat some good food and have a good time. Now we were having a good time until something suddenly happens. Stay tuned and enjoy this video.
It's nice, but it's all the time. It's all about me. It is fun and sunshine most of the time, and the feeling is laid back. All trees grow, rent is low, don't you know? I'll be working my way back. I'm a Jamaican boy who's born and raised. All the days I'm lost between two shores. I'll be there for you, lonely. Ain't some company, come by me. I'll be there for you. All the things I see someone who's start, it'll be the same again. We both know the feeling's mine. Falling in love, we're pushing around again. I can be for it if it's love. I can be feeling in the streets. The disrespect never now you can't come on. You think this is a sound that came from a retreat? I know we have a tail on foreign seats. You can't just get a little bit. You disrespect never now so now that I escape, walk away. Those who call the later of the world, I can't promise ain't good days. Those who fake that, I went to reach the 400. It's rather accessory of the milestone. And I've been but they were listening on me and I think that's why they go back to the on the good mind, me dirty good man, lady, I would just be able to speak. Ladies, you know this look natural. Yeah. Let me take that.
up here to scare.
And I will shed tomorrow. You with me, I'm instant, it could catch a fire. Hear my friend tune up in a leech back on the music just blaze higher. Cause we couldn't leave the earth, just let the dance have too much weed and master. I love the brand new day, but this a generation don't be blazing. You cannot can't control life. You feel that, yeah. Said that isn't love. Said that isn't love again. Why hear me now? It's got to get better. There is a way. It's now or never. See it through the gates of I bet some go to our remix for hey, and then it's going always like a piece of hey, here I come with love and my hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow all the days of our life. There ain't no one that likes to be with no evil man. But you'll be great out of the way. We were present in the dream. But no, we were present. Jump the drum! There was a little piece I singing now. Just whisper to what all the songs you are never go back. Say there's a lesson that you wanna teach. Just you and me. So many things I can.
Guys, all of us are stuck in the restaurant. The popos are at the gate and no one wants to move. Listen to me, I can't take a lock up because I can't sleep on prison bed. Me, I have a standard in life and my body can't sleep. Everybody is wondering if we should stay in the restaurant because clearly we're all not abiding to the rules, so everybody's like standing. Focus now.
Yeah, I don't know Plantation Smokehouse. Number one restaurant in Fenton.
Yeah.
Come and check it out. I don't know live bands tonight.
Yeah.
Good vibes.
Yeah.
But we don't watch them.
Yeah, we don't fear the po-po.
Yeah. One love, big up on yourself. Thanks for making it plan.
Alright, what your name when them come?
When you guys come to South Gio, easy to remember.
Alright, Gio. Alright, thank you.